Good morning, everyone. I am Sheila Latham, the boss of Soca Caribbean Yacht Charter. We are a yacht vacation travel agency that specializes in all-inclusive yacht charter vacations that are personalized and stress-free. If you want to get in contact with us, our website is www.soca, S-O-C-A, yachtcharters.com. We are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the U.S. Sailboat Show here in Annapolis, Maryland. Today is the 4th day, Saturday, October 12th, and we're here to be on a luxurious, state-of-the-art yacht with moorings. We're going to show you some amazing things here today, which will include food, art, water, and amazing yachts. Stay tuned.
Soca Caribbean Yacht Charters!
Soca Caribbean Yacht Charters! Now, here at Soca Caribbean Yacht Charters, we have relaxing destinations in the Bahamas, both sides of St. Martin, the British Virgin Islands, as well as St. Vincent and St. Lucia. Can you imagine being here at this table with your best friends, your family, your sorority sisters, your fraternity brothers, and just kicking back and having personalized, customized cuisine? That would be amazing, right? You have to take one of our yacht vacations in order to get that. So here you have the indoor living area space. You can decide to either eat outside, or let's say if there's maybe a little storm or some rain, you can choose to eat inside here with your personal chef gourmet cuisine. You can sit here with your family, your friends, and just take in a sight because you really have a panoramic view. And can you imagine being in an island oasis and having a panoramic 360-degree view of the Caribbean Sea? Now I'm preparing to show you the cabin space. So I want you to come look with me. You have your steps here. And now we're entering into the cabins. You have your double bed here. It sleeps comfortably 2 people. You have plenty of storage space. Now let me say this. For yacht charters, you're not going to bring a bunch of luggage. You're not going to have, your hard shell luggage. No, you're going to have a quick little soft bag because you won't really need clothes, right? You'll just need your swimsuit, your trunk for you men, and flip-flops, and that's it. So we're not going to pack a lot on my yacht vacation. Now, we also have your USB and your plugs for your phone. But for my yacht vacation, I don't want you guys on the phone because you should be relaxing, right? Now, here's another thing I want to show you. And let me also mention that full centralized AC. If John is in the other cabin and he's hot, and you're in this cabin and you're cold, John can do his own AC temperature and you can be relaxed in your own cabin with the temperature that you would like. Now, can you imagine being in the British Virgin Islands or St. Lucia or St. Vincent or any of those other Caribbean islands and looking out at the water, sleeping, and having the sun peek through to wake you up? That would be amazing. Now we're here on the trampoline, right? You can do some bounces on here, but this is really an area to relax. I'm going to get my Titanic on and hold on to this. And no, I'm joking. You can do that on my yacht vacations because we're not only about luxury, we're also about fun. We believe that luxury does not have to be boring and traditional, but we like